What is up and welcome back to Vlogmas day 11. This one is different. It's not the typical like day in my life that I have been doing. Right now I'm headed to be an Oakley Rae's vendor.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter.
I guess it's a little slower than normal. Been pretty good. Although it is like we are at what was I saying? It's been slow. We're at a gym on a Monday night. People don't come to the gym to shop. They come to work out. So, understandable. Also, Sienna just got to like one of the good parts of 4th week, and I'm so excited. We're texting about it. She asked me how I pictured Imogen, which is one of the characters. I'm literally trying to describe her. I'm really hungry though. I think we may go to Moe's because it's Moe's Monday, which is like a burrito, chips, and a drink for, I think she said $7. So I could roll with it. You came back! I get it. Heading out. Literally, this happened at the last place I was a vendor at. Obviously, it's natural. People come and go, right? And again, like I said, they're working out. They're at the gym. But after I pack up everything, then I get customers. It's like, yeah, I'll whip it all back out for you. Which they did buy, which is great, because if I unpacked it all after I had just packed it, I would have been like, what the frick. Now I'm going with my sister-in-law Hallie to eat. We left a little early, and like I said, today's Moe's Monday, so we're gonna go eat. I'm following her because I don't know really where I'm at, but oh, it's blurry. We love that. I don't think Chipotle is all that, and I don't have Qdoba often. I've not been to this location. Yeah, I was about to say no, it's Tuesday. Tragic. I was like, oh, that would have been awkward. That sign's blinking. I'm gonna follow you because I don't know what I'm getting. Okay. Let me see this and make sure they still have it. Just got Oakley. Sis, did you have fun with Auntie O and Uncle Toe? Yeah. You did? Yeah. Yeah?
I said no. I said no.
No?
I said no.
Daddy's not home.
Daddy said no. Daddy's still cute.
Daddy wasn't there.
Lucky. Yeah. Where you
What are you eating?
I eat cereal.
Cereal. Do you, oh, excuse you. Cover your mouth when you cough. Do you want to go to the library tomorrow?
I got the library.
Do you want to go to the library?
Yep. No.
No? Why not?
I will not library.
Do you want to go to the library?
No.
No.
I don't have. I don't my house.
You're gonna stay home?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna stay home.
You wanna stay home?
I'm gonna stay home, Mommy.
Okay.
It's
Who
not
knows?
my
Still may
house.
stay home. Did you have fun with Auntie O and Uncle Toe?
I love my Uncle Cole.
You didn't see Uncle Toe?
No.
He wasn't there?
Daddy see Uncle Toe.
Daddy saw Uncle Toe?
No, Daddy see Uncle Toe. Daddy didn't know Uncle Toe.
Daddy didn't see Uncle Toe.
No.
No. Did you see Uncle Toe? Was Uncle Toe home?
Okay, Uncle Toe not open.
Okay. I think he was home because his car was in the driveway just now.
Look. Tiger was scary.
You saw a tiger?
Tiger was scary.
My goodness.
Tiger was
What were you
scary.
doing that you saw a tiger?
Tiger was scary.
Wow. But you're brave, right?
Mateo is scary.
Mateo is not scary.
Mateo is kind of scary.
Mateo's kind of scary.
Tiger is not scary.
Is Isabella scary?
No,
Is Jeremiah scary?
no,
Is Tatum scary?
no,
Is Mateo scary?
no. He's not.
That's good.
He's the Maya.
Jeremiah,
Mateo's the Maya.
Mateo, and Jeremiah. Yes, you were just with them.
But the one Mateo, one Mateo.
Oh my goodness, I love her so much. I love you.
Love you.
I love you so much. I love you so much more.
Oh, forgot.
What'd you forget?
I forgot to go.
Oh my goodness, it's a purple one. She's eating Captain Crunch. Where's it at?
Say, I will praise you, Lord, with all my heart.
Let's all three say it.
I praise you all my heart.
Yes. I will praise you, Lord,
All my heart.
all my heart.
I will praise you, Lord, with all my heart.
Can you say, I will praise you, Lord, all my heart?
Is falling, all the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.